Hey my friends, how's it going? Well, we're moving along slowly, but surely. It's a slow process, but any step in the forward direction is good. And so today what I'm gonna do, so I got these two cracks. There's this one, it goes from here to here. You can see it on the back or on the front, and then there's another one down here. It goes from about here to here, and I can see that on the inside too. And it looks like somebody had put some kind of JB weld or something in there, and I've been scratching it out, scraping it out so I can see exactly where the crack is. Have this little tool here, and I'm going to use that to prepare this metal for welding. I went down to the welding supply store and they did not have any magnesium rods for sale. My plan is that I'm gonna see if there's a welding store in town. That's just not a store, but a place that welds. Go in there and inquire with them if they have any magnesium rods that they'd like to sell me. I mean, you know, maybe if it's a mom and pop store that they're just doing their thing and have a few rods laying around that they haven't been using, maybe they'll hand them my way for a couple of dollars. That'll be nice. Once I get this cleaned up, then we'll figure out where I'm gonna get my rods from. So I gotta get to work now. Alright, well, I see what I need to do now, so just need to do it. It's a nice temperature out here, so I figured I'd get comfortable, and I called a couple of welding places and nobody has any magnesium rods, so I'm gonna have to end up either ordering them online or getting a new crankcase cover. I mean, I think I can see light through them. I sprayed oil in there and I don't see any oil leaking through to the other side. I mean, it could just be some design flaws in the metal, and it just might look like cracks even though they're on both sides. Who knows? So I'm just going to put that aside for now, and I am working on getting the rings off of this piston, and they are rusted in there pretty tight. They're just, if you could see, they're flush with the surface. They don't even, you're supposed to push the rings in a little bit when you insert the cylinder into the piston, but this just, they're stuck all the way down in there. And I started pulling one out, and you can see how rusty. Well, I guess I shouldn't say rusty because they are probably aluminum pistons. I'm meaning that they are full of just something that has gotten there because of how old the piston is. I mean, it's like, I don't know, close to 50 years old, and it's just full of some kind of varnish or some kind of yucky stuff in there, and it's just keeping the rings from coming out. That's all there is to it. Something in here, some gluing the rings right onto the piston. So we gotta work on getting those off of there. I put some oil in there, and then I soaked it in some cleaner, and then I work on it a little bit more, and yeah, I mean, the ring is stuck so bad in there. It's not coming out. Like, see, I got it out in pieces. This was part of the ring. Just broke right off. But it's really bad shape. So I'm just working at it. I'm going to get these rings out of here and put another thing on the list of things I need to order. Well, I'll soak that tonight and work on removing it tomorrow. Got some good plans for this little bike, and I really want to see it running. All this gasket sets and crankcase pieces and piston rings, you know? I mean, hey, when you take on a basket case, you never know what you're gonna get. And hopefully things will come together and work out like I want them to. So keep watching and I'll keep working. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful night. Take care. Bye-bye.